What's up, YouTube? I do Turo out here in the Lehigh Valley in Pennsylvania. I have 3 vehicles currently on the platform, looking to expand. I just bought a cash car here, a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. I'll show it you guys in the video when I do the upload. Turo to me is honestly a game changer. You know, you're emotionally detached from your cars. You rent your cars out, you're emotionally detached from it. I bought this cash car so that I can rent it out full-time on the platform. That's what I'm doing, it is full-time on the platform. I use Bouncy for tracking purposes. I have the Bouncy app. It tracks your speed, it tracks oil change, fuel levels. It's like $89 a month. And I pay about $9 a month, but I have it on 3 cars, so the more cars you put the Bouncy on, they give you a discount every time. So I have the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. I paid cash. For those that's looking to get into Turo, I would not recommend you to finance a car because you have to now pay a car note, and if your insurance finds out that you're using Turo for, you know, ride sharing such as Turo, your insurance will cut it out. So there's usually third-party insurances that will help you, you know, get, you know, insured for using ride shares. But yeah, 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, this is it right over here. Let me go show you it from this angle. Cash car, pretty simple. 2014. I have a, in 2014, the reason why I have a 2014 is because it's cut out from that's the least year that you can use is a 2014. That's the most. I'm sorry, it has to be 2014 or newer on the Turo platform. I have a 2013 GMC Acadia as well, but that now is personal for me personally driving on the platform. I have a 2024 Chevy Equinox that is on the platform as well. So Turo's been a game changer. It's just like any other business, you know. You have to spend money, you have to market yourself, you have to make yourself look good. Turo changes the rules. Turo 5-6 years ago is not Turo today. If you're getting into business now, it's going to be something that, you know, you have to put the hard work in. It's not passive income. It's not something you just put cars on and you just expect people to book, then you just make money. It's nothing like that. So, you know, that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, you can comment below, subscribe, ask any questions if you have any questions. But Turo is pretty easy for me. It's, you know, you put the work in, you see the results. It's not something you just buy a car and you sit back and collect, you know, money. It may seem like that in the beginning, but you have to watch out for bad renters, people smoking in your car being crashed, potentially dealing with insurance. There's so much that you have to deal with, you know. So do your research on Turo before you just jump in. I started out with 1 car. I was testing it out to see if it's something that works. And on my channel, I'm going to talk mostly about Turo, obviously, and then I'll go into like my Robinhood. And once I go into my Robinhood, I'll go into multiple streams of income that I do, and how it benefits me from being an entrepreneur. And anybody that wants to become an entrepreneur, that wants to do Turo, or wants to just have any entrepreneur spirit, you know, if I could do it, I think anybody can do it, especially in this economy with what's going on. We got to take care of ourselves. So that's what I do, Turo. This channel is going to be about mostly Turo. I just bought my 2014 car. And then hopefully in a month or 2, I can start showing the profits that I made, my expenses, what's been working, what's not been working. So look out for some more videos coming on. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to help grow my platform, bring awareness to other people that want to start Turo, people that might have questions about Turo. I'm gonna have a calendar that people can book appointments, one-on-ones with me, with my experience and any questions like that. So check out my content, guys. Peace.